Are you in the Horsley area and struggling with a garage door that won't close properly? It might be an issue with your safety sensors. These sensors, located at the bottom of your door, can become misaligned, dirty, or even malfunction, making your garage door refuse to close as it should. This not only inconveniences you but also compromises your safety. Don't ignore this critical problem. Call us today at 0409-774-111 for a quick professional fix. Our qualified garage door repair team specializes in correcting sensor issues swiftly and effectively, ensuring your garage door functions safely and reliably. Don't wait, get your garage door sensors fixed and your peace of mind restored.